And we're coming to the end of the trends. One quick trend we have here for you is the social commerce aspect of it, and social media as shopping outlets. We'll see that continue to grow again. We'll see, I think by 2026, global social commerce sales will reach a whopping 6 trillion. And the USA having approximately 108 million social buyers by 2025, which is only 3 years away. We'll also see that 36% of social media users purchased a product directly from Facebook, followed by 24.5% who used Instagram to buy products. So we can see this in the graphic here. One thing I would say is that social commerce is only available in the USA on the platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. And we had this in our trends in 2022, and we said that it was coming, it's close. And I think with various things that are going on Facebook, it's really looking at the UK market as another, because it's very similar to the USA market in terms of English speaking and behavior and so on. And that has to be the next market that they approach for the social commerce aspect of it. And that's when, so social commerce is essentially, I'm on Facebook, I see a product and I discover a product, or I'm on Instagram and I discover a product, I can actually check out on that platform without having to be redirected to my website or a website checkout page to checkout essentially. So it's Facebook handling the payment gateways, Facebook handling the payments, and so on, or Instagram. That's not available in the UK yet, but it certainly is coming down the line quite quickly. And I guess, like influencer marketing was a number of years ago, it's still finding its feet. Social commerce is still finding its feet in terms of the platforms and how it exactly works. We've seen Facebook Shops and Instagram Shop being introduced over the last 18 months, which allows you to essentially create a really visual and compelling e-commerce store within Facebook. The only piece missing in the UK is that checkout or buy button. And it is a significant opportunity for growth among businesses that sell online, but sometimes it's not a viable solution. As I mentioned, it is restricted by geographic region, but also you need to be careful, if your audience is willing to buy via social platforms, what social platforms they're on, how much they engage with them, and so on. So whereas it's not here yet, but it's something to keep an eye on. But also please do your research before considering it,